Kylin Machine Company, one of leading manufacturers of fully auto jewelry box machines in China. This fully auto rigid box machine is suitable for all kinds of luxury packaging boxes. Kylin machine is advantaged, offering solutions. Focus on machines for complicated boxes, such as deep turning in box, slanting box, shoulder box, jewelry box, perfume box and slipcase. Today, we will show you the demo of rigid boxes machine running by our latest model KY660A, high-speed automatic rigid box machines. Let's go and see the workshop. KY660A high-speed automatic rigid box machine consists of 4 parts, which are glue section, corner pasting section, robot positioning section, and forming section. This is the glue section. Feeder use the servo motor and can control to ensure paper stable feeding during high speed operation. Suction nozzle has function to prevent paper double feeding. The stacker is 750 mm. More paper can be stacked, saving operation and loading time. The box corner pasting section, equipped with non-stop feeding device, ensure continue running. For independent heating temperature control system, ensure the tape sticks stronger. The length of the tape can be digital set on touch screen. Input the size of the length, then machine will automatic be setted. Both PET tape and craft paper tape can be used in the machine. The position in section, AdPots Delta robot with CCD camera tracing system, 10 million pixel camera and lens ensure the positioning error of plus 0.05 mm. It greatly satisfy high precision requirements products. Maximum speed is 30 pieces per minute. Machine has the box holding mode. Take the box, lift it up, and feed to the box wrapping section. Prevent paper from being scratched. Machine setting time is about 15 minutes. When change differ size of boxes, you don't need to change the pressing plates and turning in blades. Highly save the operation setting time. 300 formulas can be set in the screen when you make repeat box size. Just execute the formula from screen. If you need more information, welcome to contact us.